Do you know about Bangladesh?
I don't.
Do you have any idea about Bangladesh football?
I don't know. No.
Do you know Bangladesh football?
I don't know Bangladesh football, no.
Okay. Anyone know? No?
Sorry, I'm so sorry about it.
You guys know? Bangladesh?
I'm afraid to say, but I don't have any idea about it. Sorry.
এখানে আসলে কারোরই বাংলাদেশের ফুটবল নিয়ে এখানে আসলে কারোর আইডিয়া নেই জামাল ভুঁইয়া is our captain you know Jamal yes Jamal Bhuiya is our captain but maybe you know Sakib Al Hasan
Well, the cricketer.
won the cricket
Yeah, I know, yeah, exactly, Shakib. Yeah, he's a very good cricketer.
very good
Yeah.
cricket
Does he also play football?
দর্শক যেমনটা বলছিলাম আসলে সাকিব আল হাসানকে চিনে জামাল ভুঁইয়াকে চিনে না
The body of the big boy, fearful of no one, better than almost everyone.